Today, Larsen & Toubro soars as a beacon of resilience in an otherwise cautious Indian market. With its Q1 profits outshining expectations and a promising long-term outlook due to India's infrastructure development focus, L&T became the top gainer on Nifty 50, pushing the infrastructure sub-index higher. Despite this bullish start, markets tread carefully amidst the looming US Federal Reserve policy decision and trade tension. The Fed is expected to hold rates, but Chair Jerome Powell's comments on the economic and inflation outlook will be closely watched. Higher US interest rates could deter foreign investment in Indian equities, which have seen a selling spree this month. Meanwhile, India braces for potential higher US duties on some exports as a temporary measure, while awaiting fresh trade concessions ahead of 1st August deadline. Overall, despite positive market movement in equities and gains from companies like Larsen & Toubro, there's a prevailing sense of apprehension due to external factors like the Federal Reserve policy and potential US tariffs, which could impact both our markets and currency. The Indian rupee dropped by 0.7% against the US dollar today, reflecting this uncertainty. In summary, while India's equity markets show positive signs with L&T leading the charge, there's a note of caution as we await the Federal Reserve's policy decision and the looming US tariff deadline. The Indian rupee dropped, but investors remain hopeful for stability and growth in the long run. Stay tuned for more updates on this delicate dance between earnings optimism and geopolitical uncertainties.